Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a new conversation in Google Chat space on mobile. So you can open the Google Chat if you have downloaded, but if you haven't downloaded, you can open the Gmail apps. Alright, just wait. So you can select the space and then select new space. Just click on it. So select create a space. Enter your space name, for example, and you can add the description, but it is optional, and you can add the profile picture, so the space picture. Just click next and add the people by enter the email address, for example, and click done. So the new space uh, is created. Just write your message. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.